Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Kerr and I go by Lisa. I am originally from Wisconsin, but right now I live and work out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. My field placement site is a community mental health agency, and I happen to work at the same agency, but I work in a different department from where I'm going to be doing my internship. Some of the expectations that I have going into this internship year are just to learn as much tangible social work skills as possible through my experience. And then some of the things that I'm really excited to learn about are motivational interviewing skills and how to apply them to client-based practice. I'm also really excited to just shadow the workers that my field instructor assigns me to shadow. And just lastly, I'm really excited to just work with my field instructor. I've met with him a couple times this year already, and he has a wealth of experience. He's a licensed clinical social worker, and I am just excited to learn as much as I can from him and get more knowledgeable about just the whole world of social work. Some of the concerns or challenges that I may have are just learning how to properly balance my schedule and all the things that I do. I work full time, like I said earlier, and I also do a couple of things on the side and, have some different life changes going on. So I'm a little concerned about how well I'm going to balance my schedule this year, along with field and the demands of field and things like that. The plan that I have to kind of combat that and kind of cancel out those concerns is just to come up with a solid routine for myself and allowing myself grace for when I can't follow the routine or something unexpected happens. But I think creating a really good routine is going to come in really good handy. I'm excited to work with everyone and get to know everyone. Thank you guys.